Bruce. Today we are going to make homemade pesticides and they are really helpful in lockdown. Let's make it. First, you need a handful of onion peels. The full onion is not necessary. You just need the first or second layer like I have. Now we'll put it in the plastic jar like this. Yeah. And if you want a strong solution, you can fill it half. Oh, these are a little bit more. Yeah. Now, you can also fill it 3/4. I want a strong solution, so I am filling it half. Yeah. Now, you just close the lid and keep it for 3 to 4 days. And after 4 days, put it in your spray bottle and just spray on your plants. It keeps all different kinds of insects away and it's really helpful. We have been trying this for a couple of years. You must try this for your plants. Today we made onion peels pesticide. You must try it. And do you know, these pesticides keep insects away. Do subscribe, like and share my channel, Aarav's World.